What is up, beauties? I am so excited about today's video because I have partnered with Hairvivi to launch my very first wig design. So coming up, I'll be showing you the full process of how I colored, cut, and styled this wig to replicate my new haircut on my natural hair. This wig is the Tierra J Signature. Okay, I know a lot of you loved my new color and cut, so now we're making it available to you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. The Tierra J Signature is constructed with the same quality Hairvivi build with the adjustable elastic band, 3 combs at the back of the frontal, a large comb and adjustable hooks at the back, and of course, girl, the pre-plucked and bleached hairline, which we all know and love about Hairvivi. Okay, no work to be done unless you do want to go in with your own customization. And the Tierra J will come in this natural brown color. It's like a real chocolatey brown, but I decided to try to get it dark like black. But girl, this whole thing was an epic fail. I just wanted to include it in the video just to, you know, give y'all a little learning lesson, little tip, whatever. But I tried to put this permanent color in the water, whatever. Girl, look at that. Where's the black? Okay, I should have let the color sit and oxidate more until it turned black, because the thing with watercolor is you want to put a very saturated color right into the water. So yeah, it just didn't even work, didn't take, because once you put that color in the water, it's instantly diluted and the color is just like, that's gonna be what it is. So yeah, anyway, I tried to still get it a little bit darker, and I went in with this demi-permanent, which really didn't do a whole lot either. It did get a little bit darker, but I mean, it kind of still looked the same. So yeah, this is just my personal preference of how I wanted my wig to look. But when you go on the site, the wig will be in a natural brown color, which is fairly close to the color y'all will see towards the end. Because like I said, this color really didn't take that well. So anyway, I let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. And here's how my color turned out. As y'all can see, it's kind of still the same. So I kind of wasted my time with the whole coloring process. But anyway, moving on to styling this hair. I'm just doing my part. It's like a deep side part, and I'm just spraying my leave-in conditioner, and yeah, just getting that side part plucked out. I am gonna like swoop the baby hairs out. I like to do this just to see how the wig is like looking to me and everything. And yeah, I'm gonna pluck that part out just a little bit. You could go on and do your own little customization, but I just decided to do my little part. So after I do my part, then I went ahead and set my wig under my hooded dryer. This will basically just get everything dry and get my part, you know, nice and laid and slayed. And I let it sit under there for a good like hour and 30 minutes. So now that the hair is dry, I'm moving on to this cut, which makes it the whole Tierra J Signature look, because I'm cutting it the exact same way I just cut my hair, just putting it into a ponytail, chopping it downwards, and yeah, that is it. Super easy, simple cut. I did do a little extra with this wig because obviously it's thicker than my natural hair, and I wanted it to be like more of a natural, thinner type of look. So this wig is gonna have that bang to give you that volume up at the top, and then I'll be going through just like slicing the hair, giving it like some really subtle layers, and going in with my thinning razor and just kind of thinning this bob out a little. Alright, so now I'm about to show you one of the 2 ways you can get this wig, because it will be 2 options, whether you can get it straight or curl. So first I'm just going to show you how it looks bumped. Just a regular little bump, you know what I'm saying? Nothing fancy. Or of course you can get these body curls, honey. Now one thing about this is you cannot expect your curls to be popping after they just came through the mail and at your doorstep like you just got out the salon. It's just not gonna happen with shipping and everything. So you can expect like the curls to be messed up or tousled or whatever. I just want to give y'all a fair warning, just because some people don't really think about that when they're ordering like a pre-styled wig, that it's not going to look like that. When it comes to the door, you are going to have to do a little styling on your own. But here is the look. Here's how I like my hair, nice and full and voluminous. This is the Tierra J Signature. I'm so excited about this, y'all. I really hope y'all like this. The link to this wig will be down below in that description box. And I do want to remind y'all before I go that Hairvivi is Hairvivi. I simply designed this wig, they replicate it and give it to you guys, so I would not know about orders and stuff. People still contact me to this day asking me about orders and how do they do this. Like, I'm not Hairvivi's customer service. Y'all have to contact Hairvivi. All their information is down below in the description box. The best I can do is offer you guys this feedback directly to Hairvivi. So if you purchase this wig, let me know how you like it, girl. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in my next video.